Hello Sycamore, this is a video for my pines and my forests and any mountains out there who are feeling a bit brave. We're going to be talking about the expanded column method and the formal column method for doing subtraction. So the main thing about the column method is we need to have our numbers split up into these lines going down the page into columns. And we need to be thinking about the hundreds, tens and units bit of each number. So I've started off with 496, and that's made up of a 490 and, no surprises there, a 6 on the end. And the number I'm taking away with it is 321. It can help me to use these squares in a maths book or something like that to help me line up my columns to make sure nothing's going into the wrong place when I do it. It also can help me when I'm doing a takeaway to draw myself a big old down pointing arrow at one end. Okay, I almost always do that when I'm doing a big takeaway sum, just because of the kind of things we'll go over a bit later when we've got borrowing and carrying. So we always start in the units. So 6 take away 1 is 5. 90 take away 20, use your place value. Think about 9 take away 2 is 7. So 90 take away 20 is going to be 70. 400 take away 300, use our place value again, it's going to be 100. Overall, I'm going to have left 175. And if I'm feeling quite confident, I can do it this way as well. 496. I don't expand it out if I'm doing formal method. 321. 6 take away 1 is still 5. 90 take away 20 is still 70. And 400 take away 300 is still 100. These two methods should, as usual, give you the same answer. But now, if we move down the page and we look at my second sum, 385 take away 159. That one's trickier. Can you spot why it's trickier? Yeah, look in the units. I've got less units here than I've got here. So if I was doing this with tools or with a picture, I'd be thinking about breaking up a 10. That's what we're going to think about again over here. So let's set it up just the same as we set up the last one. 385, 159. Now I'm going to change colour to make it really clear what I'm doing just here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 80 over here and I'm going to steal one of my 10s because I still need to be going down the page. Okay? So I can't do 5 take away 9. Some people get muddled here and try and do 9 take away 5, but that's not going down that page. Okay? I'm going to not have 80 over here anymore. I'll leave just 70 here. And rather than 5 over here, I'll have 15 because I can do 15 take away 9. 15 take away 9 is going to be 6. Excellent. 70 take away 50, not 80 anymore. I've not got 80 left. 70 take away 50 is going to be 20. And 300 take away 100 is going to be 200. I think I might have 226 here. Let's do it over in the formal columns to check. So, same thing again. I'm not going to have 8 10s left. I'm going to have 7 10s. Put 15 over in the units. 15 take away 9, 6. 7 take away 5, 7 tens take away 5 tens is 2 tens. 300s take away 100 is going to be 200s. 226. They give me the same answer like this. We can also do this if our borrowing is going to be in the tens column. So here, if we look, the units are fine. It's the tens where we're going to have a bit of trouble. Because let's draw our big down arrow and make sure we're not forgetting which direction we're going. 9 take away 6, no problem. I don't need to do any borrowing. 9 take away 6 is 3. 10 take away 30 is more of a problem. I can't do that. So I'm going to steal some from my 200, leave just 100 over here. And rather than 10, I'm going to have 110. 110 take away 30. I'd think about 11 take away 3. Use my place value. 11 take away 3 is going to be 8. So 110 take away 30 is going to be 80. 100 take away 100. Don't panic. Think about it for a second. It's gonna be 0. 0 add 80 add 3. I think that might be 83. Let's do it over here as well. 9 take away 6 is 3. Can't do 110 take away 3 tenths. Can do 11 tenths take away 3 tenths. It's going to be 8 tenths. Going to have a 0 in the hundreds. Okay. It can get one step trickier again than that. And that's when we've got carrying borrowing even, in 2 columns. So let's have a look, shall we? 711, which is made of a 10 and a 1, take away 543. 546 even. Draw our big down arrow so we're not gonna get confused. Right. Can't do 1 take away 6. Leave a 0 there. Can do 11 take away 6. It's going to be 5. Can't do 0 take away 40. Can do 100 take away 40. I've got 600 left over here. 100 take away 40 is going to be 60. 600 take away 500 is going to be 100. 165. I'll show you what it looks like over here. $11 take away 6 is 5. $10 take away 4 is 6. 6 take away 5 is 165. Right. Depending on where you got to when we were having a look in class, it might be that different ones of those are a bit new to you. So have a think, which ones of those were new to you? Which ones of those are you confident with? Which one might you need to have another try at to feel a little bit stronger? Right, Sycamore, talk to you soon. Bye.